Hello guys, my name is Prince and this is Math Center. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. Post your comments and questions on my social media handles and I'll respond to it. We are on the topic number basis. In the previous video, we learned how to convert numbers between two non-decimal bases. In this video, we are going to learn how to order numbers written in non-decimal bases. That is, arranging numbers in either ascending or descending order. By this time, the numbers will not be written in base 10. So to arrange numbers written in non-decimal bases in ascending or descending order, the first thing you need to do is convert all the numbers to the same base. Now, since we are comfortable with handling numbers in base 10, it is always advisable to convert the numbers to base 10. Then from there, compare their magnitudes and arrange them in the order required. So after you've converted all the numbers in base 10, you can now easily recognize which one is the biggest or which one is the smallest. So you can arrange them depending on their magnitude. That is how big or small the numbers are. So let's pick some examples and see how this is done. We are being told to arrange the following in ascending order of magnitude. So in this case, we are arranging in descending order of magnitude. So in descending order of magnitude, which means that we are arranging it from the biggest to the highest. So in descending order of magnitude, we are arranging it from the biggest. In descending order of magnitude, it means that we are arranging it from the biggest to the smallest. So we are descending, so from the biggest to the smallest. So what we have to do is that, let's pick the first example and see how this is done. So we are supposed to arrange this from the biggest to the smallest, that is descending order of magnitude. So the first thing we need to do is to convert each one of them to the same base. As I said, it is always advisable to convert it to base 10 since we are comfortable handling base 10 numerals. So convert the first number here to base 10. So you convert 4415 to base 10. Converting this to base 10, we have 4 times 5 exponent 2 plus 4 times 5 exponent 1 plus 1 times 5 exponent 0. By this time, you should be comfortable with converting numbers to base 10. So we have 4 times 25 plus 4 times 5 plus 1 times 1. It's 4 times 25 will give us 100. 4 times 5 will give us 20. 1 times 1 will give us 1. We add everything here and we are getting 121. So we can say that 4415 will give us 121 in base 10. Next, you convert 4023 to base 10. So in converting it to base 10, we are going to have, so we multiply each digit with the base. So 4 times 6, 0 times 6, 2 times 1, 3 times 2 times 6, 3 times 6. Then you order the bases. So 0, 1, 2, 3. 4 times 6 exponent 3 will give us 216. 0 times 6 exponent 2 will give us 36. 2 times 6 exponent 1 will give us 6. Plus 3 times 6 exponent 0 will give us 1. 4 times 216 will give us 864. 0 times 36 will give us 0. 2 times 6 will give us 12. 3 times 1 will give us 3. You add everything here and we are going to get 879, which means that if you convert 4023 base 6 to base 10, you are going to have 879. The next is to convert the next number, which is 1811 base 12. So you are converting this to base 10. You multiply every digit with the base. So 1 times 12, 8 times 12, 1 times 12, then 1 times 12. Then you order the bases. So 0, 1, 2, 3. 1 times 12 exponent 3 will give us 1728 plus 1 times 114, which since 12 squared will give us 144. 1 times 12 exponent 1 will give us 12. Plus 1 times 12 exponent 0 will give us 1. Any number raised to the power 0 is 1. 1 times 1728 will give us 1728. Plus 8 times 144 will give us 1152. plus 1 times 12 will give us 12. 1 times 1 will give us 1. You add everything here, we are getting 2893. So which means that if you convert 1811 base 12 to base 10, you are going to have 2893. Now we have converted all the numbers to base 10. So we have converted 441 base 5 to base 10. We had 121. We converted 4023 base 6 to base 10. We had 879. We converted 1811 base 12 to base 10, and we had 2893. We are supposed to arrange this in descending order, which means that from the biggest to the highest. From here, it's so clear that this is the biggest. So if you are comparing the base 10 numerals, you see that this is the biggest, followed by this, then followed by this. So we can see that this one here is the biggest. 1811 base 12 is the biggest. Then the next is 4023. Then the last is 4415, which is the smallest. Remember, if you are supposed to arrange this in ascending order will be from the smallest to the highest. So in that case, this will be the first, this will be the second, and this will be the third. But since it's in descending order, it's the other way around. So this is the first, this is the second, and that is the third. Let's pick another example. We are supposed to convert 415 base 6, 3321 base 4, and 1111 base 2 in descending order. So what you have to do now is to first convert all of them to base 10. So we pick the first one, 415 base 6. You convert it to base 10. You know that in converting, you are going to have, you multiply every digit there with the base. So 4 times 6, 1 times 6, and 5 times 6. Then you order them as you have seen here, 0, 1, 2. So in the multiplication, we have 4 times 6 squared is 36. 1 times 6 exponent 1 is 6, plus 5 times 6 exponent 0 is 1. So we have 4 times 36 to give us 144. 1 times 6 will give us 6. 5 times 1 will give us 5. You add everything, we are getting 155. So if you convert 415 base 6 to base 10, we have 155. The next is to convert 3321 base 4 to base 10. So in converting, you are going to have 3 times 4 exponent 3 plus 3 times 4 exponent 2 plus 2 times 4 exponent 1 plus 1 times 4 exponent 0. So if you do the multiplication, we have 3 times 64 plus 3 times 16 plus 2 times 4 plus 1 times 1. You do the multiplication here, you are going to have 192 plus 48 plus 8 plus 1. You add everything here, we are getting 249. So which means that if you convert 3321 base 4 to 249, you are getting 3321 base 4 to base 10. We are getting 249 base 10. So next you convert 1111 base 2 to base 10. So we multiply every digit with the base. So 1 times 2, 1 times 2, 1 times 2, 1 times 2, and 1 times 2. Then we order them as you have seen here. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 exponent 4 is 16. 2 exponent 3 is 8. 2 exponent 2 is 4. 2 exponent 1 is 2. Then 2 exponent 0 is 1. So we are having 16 plus 8 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1. You add everything, we are getting 31. So which means that 11111 base 2 will give us 31 in base 10. So we have now converted all of them to base 10. So 415 base 6 will give us 115. 3321 base 4 will give us 249. Then 11111 base 2 will give us 36. So in arranging them in descending order, remember from the biggest to the highest, we know that this is the biggest, followed by this, then this is the smallest. So we have 3321 as the biggest, 3321 base 4 as the biggest, 415 base 6 as the next, then the smallest will be 1 1 1 1 base 2. Let's pick the last example. We have 3 3 3 base 4, 4 4 4 base 5, and 2 2 2 base 4. So we are supposed to arrange this in descending order. So let's first convert the first one to base 10. So in converting 3 3 3 base 4 to base 10, we have 3 times 4 squared plus 3 times 4 exponent 1 plus 3 times 4 exponent 0. That is going to give us 3 times 16 plus 3 times 4 plus 3 times 1. 3 times 16 will give us 48 plus 3 times 4 will give us 12 plus 3 times 1 will give us 3. You add everything, we are going to get 64. So if you convert 3 3 3 base 4 to base 10, you are going to have 63. You add everything here, you are getting 63. So if you convert 3 3 3 base 4 to base 10, you are having 63. Next, you convert 4 4 4 base 5 to base 10. That will give us 4 times 5 squared plus 4 times 5 exponent 1 plus 4 times 5 exponent 0. You are going to have 4 times 25 plus 4 times 5 plus 4 times 1. 4 times 5 is 100, 4 times 25 is 100, 4 times 5 is 20, 4 times 1 is 4. You add everything, we are getting 124. So if you convert 4 4 4 base 5 to base 10, you are having 124. Now, you convert the last one, which is 2 2 2 base 4 to base 10, and we know that will give us 2 times 4 squared plus 2 times 4 exponent 1 plus 2 times 4 exponent 0. Now, this will give us 2 times 16 plus 2 times 4 plus 2 times 1. 2 times 16 is 32, 2 times 4 is 8, 2 times 1 is 2. You add everything there, we are getting 42, which means that if you convert 2 2 2 base 4 to base 10, that will give us 42. So we have seen that we have now converted all the numbers to base 10. So 3 3 3 base 4 in base 10 is 63. 4 4 4 base 5 in base 10 is 124. 2 2 2 base 4 in base 10 is 42. So in arranging them in descending order, you know this one is the biggest one, so 4 4 4 base 5, followed by 3 3 3 base 4, then this is 2 2 2 base 4. Thank you for watching this video. Pick more examples on ordering numbers in non-decimal basis and try your hands on them. See you in the next video, where we will learn how to add and subtract numbers that are not in base 10. Bye bye.